Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Rajkot location. It is from Gujarat. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, RK Infotech is hiring for following job positions like PHP developer, .NET developer, Android developer, business development executive, SEO, software sales executive, HR, and development ops or Linux server admin. These are the job vacancies available in this RK Infotech. For these positions, you should have qualifications like BCA, MCA, BSc IT, MSc IT, BE IT or CE, BBA, MBA. These qualifications will be preferred. And freshers and students who are the last sem and looking for training will be considered. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Sahyadri Farms is hiring for interns who have graduates in MBA Marketing or ABM and Agriculture. If you are eligible for this internship, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Assistant Manager Quality position from Gopal Snacks Private Limited. For this position, you should have qualifications like BTech in Food Tech and MTech in Food Tech and MSc Chemistry will be preferred. And you please check once the job responsibilities. And if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Illuminati Incorporated is hiring for following job positions like Android developer, iOS developer, sales executive, Node.js, content writer, and software tester. These are the job vacancies available. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for export sales coordinator position from Pixon. For this position, you must be from solar industry. And you please check once the job responsibilities, those are I have provided here. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Sayasya groups are hiring for following job positions like Assistant Manager Human Resource Executive, South Chef Indian Cuisine, CDP Western Cuisine, Gujarati Maharaj, Guest Service Associate Housekeeping, and Guest Service Associate in Food and Beverage Service. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, Cholamandalam is hiring for following job positions like Area Credit Operations Manager and Credit Process Associates. To consider your applications, you have to follow these instructions. Subject line should have clear mention about position applied for and location preferred, and mail body should have details about current fixed compensation and variable pay, notice period applicable, and you should have sound underwriting knowledge along with working experience of unsecured loans like salarized or professional loans and business loan. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for technical manager position from Shubham Housing Development Finance. For this position, you should have qualifications like BA or BTech or diploma in civil engineering will be considered. And also you must have minimum 1 year of experience in property appraisal, and local candidates and immediate joinees will be preferred. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Shriram City Union Finance Limited is hiring for area credit manager position, like you must have minimum 5 years of experience of home loan or loan against property, and MBA or CA graduates will be preferred for this position. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Omnitech Engineering Private Limited is hiring for following job positions. For the position of senior account manager, you should have 7 to 12 years of work experience. For the HR manager position, you should have 10 years of work experience in very similar industry. For the EA2 director, you must have 10 years of work experience. For the production manager, you must have 10 years of experience in very similar industry. For the senior quality engineer position, you should have 10 years of work experience. For the assistant quality engineer, you should have 10 years of work experience. For the purchase manager, you should have 10 to 12 years of work experience in a very similar industry. For the purchase executive position, you should have 5 years of experience in very similar industry. For the senior engineering casting development, you should have 5 to 7 years of work experience in the same domain. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.